Alright, so I had a little difficulties here. So this is 2013 Topps Tier 1. Going to try this out for a personal break just to kind of test it out. So let's see what we got here. Open up the first box. I'm going to open the first pack. Get something good here. Casey Kelly auto 199 to 399. Alex Avila 16 to 299. Al Kaline Bat Relic 290 to 399. So nothing too exciting in that box. Let's try out box number 2. Hopefully a little better luck in this one. Alright. Got a Chris Archer on the rise auto. 69 to 399. Tommy Malone on the rise auto. 233 to 399. So you got an extra auto in this pack, or extra card. Sean Markham 151 to 299. And Matt Harvey auto relic, or just game used relic, 78 to 399. So I'd say that's probably the best card I got in the box. So we'll go ahead and go through these again. 2 relics. Al Kaline bat relic. Matt Harvey jersey relic. And the autos. Sean Markham crowd pleaser to 299. Tommy Malone to 399. Chris Archer to 199. So came out of the box awful damaged. Alex Avila to 299. And Casey Kelly to 399. So pretty disappointing 2 breaks, but it's good to try it out.